Hello beautiful people, good morning, dzień dobry. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. I'm having breakfast now. The time is 9:15 in the morning. Mom is there, she is washing the dishes. You wanna see? There she is. Hello, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Okay, I'm actually ready to go. Leia and I will gonna go to the city today. We're gonna do a pamper time. Leia just gave birth, so she deserves a pamper time. And so am I. Look at my hair. It needs retouch. I need to do my nails. And I need to get a few things in the city as well. Let's have breakfast. This is my breakfast. I have here bread, boiled egg from mom, and also milk from mom as well. Everything is from her. Leia will be texting me soon and we have to go. I actually have an appointment at 10 in the morning, so we're gonna have to rush. Let's eat. Bon appetit, smacznego. I did not eat early because Leia and I are gonna have breakfast in the city, but then again, she has to bathe Noah first. See, I can already tell you guys, like, what is she doing? I don't need to hide it anymore. She has to feed Noah because she's breastfeeding, and she has to bathe him as well. So, I said, take your time, no worries. I went to visit Sophia this morning. She is not in the mood. Everyone, update, we are done with our pamper time. Very good job. So we did nails, hair, and I did my lashes. Bon appetit.
Yeah.
We are now on the way home. You know what time is it? It is 4:30 p.m. We left the house. Was it 9? Yeah, 9. How was it? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Is there a cheese inside?
Yeah.
I tried the Japan cheese coin in Cebu for the first time because the traffic is real. Okay, we're on the way home now because Noah is looking for Mama.
I'm about to say that seems like no one is waiting for me.
Yeah, exactly. Woo. But there is little Noah. Jinkoye. Bon appetit, let's eat.
Let's try that.
Wala na kila cheese ball. Ito cinnamon. Hindi ko ganan I hate cinnamon ever. Magkabuhin ko. Why do they put cinnamon? The one in Japan doesn't have cinnamon. Traffic is real. So let's eat buffalo.
To rate your lunch.
That was 10 out of 10. That was a good lunch. The salad was so good.
We'll have to show it to them.
Yeah, this one. But the chicken is top 1. The mango salad is top 2. Top 3 is the
carbonara.
I'm eating this because I
It
cannot
was
eat
so
the
good.
pancake.
It's our date
Yeah.
without
Pamper date.
Noah.
Yeah.
So next time, do you want to
With
bring
Noah.
Noah next time?
Yeah. But we have to bring another one.
What another one?
To carry Noah.
Like you mean Nani?
Nano, yeah.
Maybe next time that you have to vlog like Nani
Of Noah.
of Noah. Like
For a day?
Yes.
Good luck.
Guys, what time is it? It's 7:45 p.m. I'm back here at home. On the way home, I stopped over at Leia's house because I wanted to visit Noah. He is such an adorable little boy, and I also had a gift for him, just baby clothes. So we did hair, so this is my hair now. Well, there's nothing new pretty much. It's just, I just decided to like tone it down. From here to here, it was like black, and then the rest is like brownish. So here it is. I also did my lashes, just a natural simple one, and then of course we had to do nails. I got here French tip, my favorite, mani pedi. Went to Metro because I wanted to buy Sophia her milk. I also got her diapers. So right now Scarlett's gonna stay with me. Very good. Manada pangga. Oy. She's right here, guys. This is the very first time that she decided she's gonna sleep with Tita, right? Are you gonna sleep with Tita? Very good. Look, she brought her blanket. I love this one, very soft. Now, it's time to pack. Alright, are you gonna help Tita pack? Very good, let's go, let's do that. I have here my big luggage. I also have here my small one, my carry-on. So I have 20-30 kilogram for my check-in luggage. And then I have here pasalubong. I didn't get pasalubong yet for Robbie, but we're gonna get it. So I have here some pajama. I have here all the pajamas that I will be bringing. And then from Metro, I have here a bunch of dried mangoes. Because Robbie said they love dried mangoes. I said, should I get like OTAP or something like that? Chocolates and all. But they have the best chocolates there. So I'm not going to be bringing that. So we have here a bunch of dried mangoes. Look. Mangoes. Huh? Dried mangoes. So I have here a lot. Oh, look at this. These are 15 packs of dried mangoes. So let's see how do we put this one in the luggage. Oh, by the way, I have this vacuum seal thing. We're gonna try this one. This is gonna be my first time to actually do it. So I don't know how to put this one. All right, let's see. So we're gonna put this one there first. I'm gonna be putting all of these in one plastic. So I ordered this one online, so it's just gonna seal everything, right? So we have more space in the luggage. I don't think there's gonna be a difference with the weight by using this one. I think this is just gonna suck it all in. So we're gonna put this one here. I have these. I ordered these ones online. Very nice. So we're gonna give this to Robbie's mom. I think that's Robbie texting me. All right, we're gonna put it there. Hi, this is my first time packing like this.
and I'm trying to maximize the space. Okay, so that's there. Now we're gonna put all of these mangoes. Pangga, can you get my phone, please? I think it's Tito Robbie texting me. It's on the table. Okay, so we're gonna put the dried mangoes there. Hello, let's see if this will all fit. Ah, you wanna try, huh? We cannot, Pangga, because I counted this one. This is enough for them. I'm just gonna give you some, okay, later. Okay? Okay, who was it? Is it Tito Robbie? Oh, yes. Okay, so that's Robbie texting me. He is also preparing for my arrival. I'm so excited. Okay, we'll put that. Allah, there's a lot of dried mangoes. Hopefully this will be enough for them. I have to get some pasalubong for Robbie. I'm gonna take a photo and send it to him. Alright guys, so I have here one pack, and this is what's inside. The dried mangoes and the pasalubong. I have here some of my clothes as well. Have you guys seen the mountain of clothes there in the sofa? Some of it are here. I was able to put it in this plastic. Now, this is actually my first time using this or doing this kind of packing. And hopefully this is helpful. So I have this thing, it comes with it. So all you have to do is to put it right here, like this. You slide it in. Oh, it's not working anymore. Okay, like that. And then you have to just seal it. Oh, see? It's sealed. That's so crazy. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna be vacuuming it so that all of this space, see, there's air. So we're gonna be using this. There's like an electric, what do you call this? Like a pump or something. So you put it right there. Hala, do I know how to do this? And then you just, this one is too short. Our plug. Pangga, how do we make it work? Okay, I'm gonna get an extension wire. Hold on. Alright, so I have here my extension wire. I plugged it in, and then this is the thing that will suck in all that air inside. So let's try. It's not doing it. I don't know how to do it, guys. Oh, look. Is there something I need to like do? Here. Open, close. Okay, so I have to close it like this. Huh? I don't know. Open. Okay. Okay. So that's open. So let's do it. So let's see. Oh, I can see it. Look at that. Wow. This is... Wow. More. Look at this. This is amazing. Okay. So now we're gonna close it. Guys, look at that. Vacuum sealed. Wow, this was pretty heavy. Oh, look at that. That is so amazing. Who invented this? This is a brilliant idea. Wow, that's so good. Hello, update guys. I think I'm finished packing, but I'm not gonna be closing this one yet. So I have here my big luggage. This right here is almost full. You know what? The vacuum seal packing plastic bags is so helpful because you can really maximize the space in your luggage. And yeah, I was able to fit everything in just right this side of the luggage. Like this one right here is almost empty, like there's nothing in it, which is very good. So then when I come home, then I can fill this one up with some pasalubong for the fam. And then this is the bag that I will be carrying in the airport. This is the Longchamp. I don't know how do you guys read it, but Longchamp, yeah, color black. I love this one because I can just put a lot of stuff in here, some snacks for the airplane, you know, everything. My life will be right here. My passport is here as well. And oh, I have here my Singaporean dollar, I have euro, I have Australian, and I have Thai baht, and also I have Japanese yen. So I'll be carrying this one just in case I need to use it. You never know, especially in the airport sometimes, or in the airplane. Sometimes they accept different currencies. And I will be bringing one pair of shoes, also one pair of slippers, one pair of sandals, and that's it. This was empty. I'm so happy about that. I have here my carry-on. This is empty as well. I'm not going to be closing this one yet because tomorrow is the final packing. And this is where I'll be putting my laptop, makeup, and that's it. I have here just like t-shirt, so I could change, and sleepwear. And oh, this one is needed. This is my favorite shawl because in the airplane I get cold so easily. In fact, I was looking for my blazer, the black blazer that I have, and it was at mom's house and now she could not find it. She's looking for it. That's the one I will be using. If she cannot find it, then I will have to go with the other blazer that I have, because yeah, I get cold so easily. I am very petite, very small. So all right, I'm done. I can't believe this side of the luggage is empty. This is so crazy. So yeah, anyway guys, this is it. This is really is it. I have been waiting for this moment to pack. Well, the traveling time is not the most exciting part. I don't enjoy that part, but it's needed for me to get to my destination. Scarlett is here. She's gonna be sleeping with me tonight, which is very thoughtful of her. Normally, she doesn't sleep with me when sis is not here, but tonight she changed. Don't know why. I think she's gonna miss me. You're gonna miss Tita Pangga? Nga, very good man na, oy. So yeah, wow, I'm so happy. Time now is 9:45 p.m. We have to sleep because you know what? I don't think I'll be able to sleep tomorrow. Even tonight, like normally the night prior of my flight, I would always get so nervous, I get so anxious, and I just wouldn't be able to like sleep good. But it's gonna be a long day for me for sure because I will be flying at dawn, 2 in the morning, and yeah, mom and her partner will be sending me to the airport. They'll be driving Ruby back home, and I'm so excited, guys. Like this is it, Pansit. But I think tomorrow it's gonna be an emotional one because I'll have to say goodbye to Fiang. That's the part I hate because I'm getting attached to her, and yeah, I'm gonna miss her, that's for sure. But anyway, I'll be back real soon anyway. I haven't even left the country. I'm already thinking of going back. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you guys are excited as me in flying to Europe again for the 3rd time. And I cannot wait to see Robbie and his fam bam and just be in a European sun. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.